Hey guys, this is Leo with Fast Home Offer guys, and we're here with Alan and Judy, and we just closed on the property. Guys, can you tell us about your experience with Fast Home Offer guys?
It went pretty quick from the time I called you till now, and we came in here and it only took a half an hour to sign off papers and stuff.
Okay.
So, yeah, it went real well. Liked it, enjoyed it.
How long does this process took? Like, how long did you guys, from the time we signed an agreement to the day we closed?
I don't think it was, 2 weeks?
A couple of weeks, maybe.
The most, yeah.
2 weeks at the most, I think.
It was really quick.
Yeah.
Would you guys would recommend Fast Home Offer guys, and is everything went smoothly?
Yeah, everything
Oh,
went
yeah.
smooth. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, real good.
We were
I wasn't in a hurry, really, and it went a lot faster than I was hoping for.
Gotcha.
actually-
Okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you as well. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.